So if you're into VR, you're gonna want to hear this. Alongside the shiny new Quest 3's announcement, Meta's also giving the 512 gigs version of the Quest 3 a permanent price drop. Oh, and they're discontinuing the Quest 2 and Quest Pro, so it's the end of the road for those. Alright, let's break it down. The Meta Quest 3 was first revealed back in June 2023, but it didn't actually hit stores until October. When it launched, there were two storage options, 128 gigs for $500 and 512 gigs for $650. Well, now, Meta's decided to slash the price on the 512 gigs model, bringing it down to $500. That's a sweet 23% off its original price. Pretty good deal if you ask me. And if you were wondering about the 128 gigs version, yep, it's getting a price cut too, now sitting at $430. The drop's not huge, but here's the thing, Meta's phasing it out soon, so for just $70 more, you get 4 times the storage. Honestly, if you're thinking about grabbing a Quest 3, the 512 gigs version is a no-brainer at this point. But here's where it gets even better. Meta's bundling the much-anticipated Batman Arkham Shadow game and 3 months of Meta Quest Plus with all new Quest 3 family purchases through April 2025. So, not only are you getting a VR headset at a better price, but they're throwing in an epic game and some extra perks for free. And the Quest 3 is only getting better from here. Meta's planning some future updates that sound pretty cool, like travel mode for using it on the go, yes, you can play on trains, support for lying down while using the headset, and offline downloads for apps like Prime Video. Basically, they're making sure this headset stays fresh. Now, for some bittersweet news, Meta's officially discontinuing the Quest 2 and Quest Pro, which launched in 2020 and 2022. They'll keep selling them until the end of the year, or until they run out of stock, whichever happens first. Accessories will still be around for a bit longer, so if you need a new charger or extra controllers, you're good for now. Alright, that's the latest on the Meta Quest 3 and all the exciting changes coming with it. If you're pumped about these updates and want to stay in the loop on all things VR, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. More awesome content is on the way. See you next time.